Hey, beautiful people! Want to turn back the clock on your skin? Stay tuned. We're diving into my top 5 DIY face masks for youthful, radiant skin. These masks are packed with natural ingredients that can help boost collagen, improve elasticity, and leave your skin feeling baby soft. We're talking real results, people. I've even got some amazing before and after pictures to share so you can see the magic for yourselves. Alright, let's start with a classic. The Avocado and Honey Mask. Avocado is a powerhouse of healthy fats and vitamins that deeply nourish and moisturize the skin, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. To make this mask, you'll need half a ripe avocado and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mash the avocado until it's smooth and creamy, then mix in the honey until well combined. Apply a generous layer to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Get ready to be amazed by how soft and supple your skin feels. Next up, we're cracking open the power of egg whites and lemon for a mask that will tighten and brighten your complexion. Egg whites are rich in protein, which helps to tighten and firm the skin, reducing the appearance of pores and fine lines. Lemon juice is a natural astringent and a powerhouse of vitamin C. To make this mask, you'll need 1 egg white and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Whisk the egg white until it's frothy, then gently mix in the lemon juice. Apply the mixture to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for about 15 minutes or until it dries completely. Once it's completely dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. You'll be amazed by how bright, firm, and refreshed your skin looks. Let's talk about the Glow Getter, the Banana and Yogurt Mask. This mask is like a tropical vacation for your face, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and absolutely radiant. Bananas are a fantastic source of potassium, which helps to hydrate and moisturize the skin, while the natural oils in bananas help to soften and smooth the skin's texture. Yogurt is a natural source of lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. To make this mask, you'll need half a ripe banana and 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. Mash the banana until it's smooth, then mix in the yogurt until you have a creamy consistency. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin and leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Get ready to bask in the compliments because your skin is about to be glowing. Get ready to dive into the golden goodness of the Turmeric and Coconut Oil Mask. This mask is a game changer for anyone looking to brighten their complexion, fade hyperpigmentation, and achieve that lit from within glow. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse that has been used for centuries in skincare for its incredible benefits. Coconut oil is a deeply moisturizing and nourishing ingredient that's perfect for all skin types. To make this mask, you'll need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Mix the ingredients together until they form a smooth paste. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Last but not least, we have the ultimate soothing savior, the Cucumber and Aloe Vera Mask. This mask is like a tall glass of water for your skin, instantly cooling, calming, and hydrating. Cucumbers are known for their cooling and hydrating properties. Aloe vera is a miracle worker when it comes to soothing and healing the skin. To make this mask, you'll need half a cucumber and 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Blend the cucumber until it's completely smooth, then mix in the aloe vera gel until well combined. Apply the mask to clean, dry skin and let it work its magic for 15-20 minutes. Once the time is up, rinse off the mask with cool water and gently pat your skin dry. Your skin will be left feeling incredibly soft, hydrated, and oh so refreshed. And there you have it, beautiful people. My top 5 DIY face masks for youthful, radiant skin. These masks are easy to make, incredibly effective, and perfect for incorporating into your weekly skincare routine. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. So try to use these masks 1 to 2 times a week for best results. I promise you, your skin will thank you for it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips and tricks. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which mask you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep shining bright.